I'm Mike Porter with East Coast Yacht Sales, and I'm on board a 2008 Zimmerman Z36 named the Paul W. Marks. This is actually the last Z36 ever built by Zimmerman. This one's extremely well maintained, and she's truly the perfect Downeast couples cruising boat. If you have any questions about this Zimmerman 36, please feel free to call, text, or email me. My contact information is right below the video. So we're here in the indoor heated storage facility for Paul W. Marks. And having the boat out of the water gives us a chance to show you what under the water line looks like, as well as a really up close and personal look at that beautiful flag blue paint job. It's that big keel, protected running gear. And coming up into the cockpit, this is an awesome outdoor area here with full overhead, and this entire aft cockpit is also enclosed in isinglass, and it also has screen enclosures as well. Coming into the pilot house, the first thing we notice is how tall these overheads are. This has a great space in here. It's the only Zimmerman 36 built with 6-foot 11-inch headroom in here, and this is great for tall folks, and also, you know, makes it feel much bigger, much more airy feeling in here for even if you're not tall. This L-shaped settee comes out here to form a full berth, and you've got the folding leaf table which drops down to be coffee table height. Also has a weighted bottom so you can scoot it about the salon as you like. The stressless recliner there in the corner, and the entertainment center here, the flat screen Samsung TV, audio and DVD player below. There's full Poke audio, surround sound system in here, reading lights here over on each side. She's also got the Stid Admiral high back chairs, fully adjustable with the ultra leather, great condition. Chart table, your air conditioning and reverse cycle heat. And the helm here is really what makes this boat, one of the things that makes this boat so awesome. Really easy to single hand this boat. You've got again another Stid helm seat, but as you're standing here at the helm, you've got all your electronics here, the Raymarine MFD, your autopilot, and it's also got the autopilot handheld remote, which is great. You can sit back in your chair and change your course. You've got a bow thruster here for close quarters maneuvering, and right to the side here is access to your side decks and your midship cleat right there. That's all you need for single-handed docking. Give you a view of, you know, what it looks like here. Full 360-degree views as you're pulling into the dock. We'll go out and show you how easy it is to get around out here. So look at your anchor windlass CQR anchor. It's got the foot pedals here, and there's also a remote switch at the helm. One of the best parts about the Zimmerman is your access to the cabin top here and how it's used for the dinghy. Very easy access here on this ladder. Step right up. don't have to have the dinghy hanging off on the platform. It's just a really awesome system. Utilization of space. There's your low profile Nautical Structures davit. And Achilles dinghy with a 9.9 Yamaha. Really easy. So beneath the helm here, I've got the remote start-stop for the Westerbeek generator, my panel for the inverter and charger, high water alarm. There's tons of safety features on the boat. Your full AC and DC electrical panel, easy to access from the helm. And then just around the corner is all your main battery switches here. And going down below, take a look into the galley, just a couple of steps. And it's open air to above in the pilot house, which is awesome. Allows you to come down here while you're underway and make a sandwich without being totally out of contact with the captain at the helm. Got a big double basin stainless steel sink. Tons of storage here. Very deep locker there. On the other side, you've got your bowls and plates dedicated, mugs, glasses, and a deep freezer there. Your fridge is right around the corner. And the Force 10 propane stove with the oven that looks like it's never been used, and the microwave up above, same there. And just across you've got another cabinet below here, cleaning supplies, and your steps have some great storage. Every little nook and cranny is used on the Zimmerman here. And the head, we've got a vacuum flush head, big huge mirrors, again a lot of storage, and the secret to cruising happily is your separate stall shower there. And moving forward to the master, we had our 6'11" headroom up in the pilot house, so this is of course massive down here as well. Both sides of this V-berth are almost 7.5 feet long, so it's huge. To port here, you've got this great little bureau, cedar line drawers, and a bunch below as well. And your cedar line hanging locker to starboard. There's all of your isinglass panels for the cockpit there. So this Zimmerman cruises at about 14 knots. At that speed, she's doing a little better than 1 nautical mile per gallon. Tops out at around 19 knots at wide open throttle. Back here on the aft deck, I'll show you some. Look at the steering gear there, your autopilot trim sensor, and black water pump. Similar storage throughout. Your propane locker there. And these steps on either side are fantastic. This allows, right here on port and starboard, allows super easy access up on deck. And you can see that you just have a couple steps here and your handhold, and then boom, you're right up on deck. And then you've got a handhold below and another handhold up on top to allow you to walk all the way forward very easily. Now let's go take a look at the engine room. Give you a close look at the mechanical space here. Really easy to access from the pilot house. She's got a John Deere 375, just over 800 hours on her. Your dual Raycor filters and single for the genset. Water heaters tucked there, as long as the inverter charger. Batteries are outboard. And then aft here, you've got your Westerbeek genset. We'll go down and take a closer look. Some fuel manifolds, oil change system there.